get our men that don't require need to be in there to make their way out. This will be another good, strong event, ladies and gentlemen, and while you're here watching, we can, when we get past the count of 103, you can make all the noise you want to. You'll see why. This is a very exciting event, our tree. Alright, we'll introduce you to our axemen as we start to get ready. Down on tree number 8, Adam Lithgow from Tennessee, US of A. Could you put your hands together to make him welcome? He'll start on a mark of 13. One up from him on tree number 7, Nate Hodges from California in the US of A. He'll start on a mark of 15. Make him welcome, please. One up from him from Queensland on tree number 6. We've got Campbell Newman. He will start on a count of 50. Could you make him welcome and put your hands together for young Campbell Newman? And also, while you're clapping on tree number 5, keep the cheering and clapping to Lindsay Hurt from Wagner and Queensland. He'll start on a mark of 54. Make him welcome here this afternoon. One up from there on tree number 4, we've got Joshua Adamson from also Queensland, Budrum area. He'll start on a count of 76. Make him welcome. He'll say hello to you all. On number 3, another Queensland, we have on tree 3 with a mark handicap of 94, Brian Wagner from Boston in Queensland. Make him welcome, please, ladies and gentlemen. Up on number 2, tree 2 there, we have Mitchell Hewitt from Amburan in Queensland, and his mark or handicap will be 97. So make him welcome. And up on tree number 1 from Delaware in Tasmania, tree 1, Daniel Burr with a mark or handicap of 103. Make him welcome here. This will be a wonderful event. All people love these trees, so this one will be a fun. Thank you, Don. We're right to start. Axeman.
Competitors, stand your lines. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 2, 3.
As you watch them get all of the swing leverage that they need, they get right out on the board, all the holding their weight and getting them the leverage to get into the tree, to punch the front into the top, to dismount like you're seeing on number 2, and then come around and do it all over again. There's a little mental fun. Watch on number 1 here, young Daniel Burr, as he springs down. He's going to do all he can to try and make this possible. We go down the front of our couple of very good visitors, and this is on number 8, also on number 7, we've got Nate Hodges. Up on number 6, we've got there he comes up on on number 6, we got the opportunity to wait Campbell Newman from Queensland, Lindsay Hewitt from Queensland, from 4, Josh Adamson from Queensland, Brian Wagner up on number 3, up on number 2 we got Mitchell Hewitt, and number 1 we have got young Daniel Gurr. Now he springs up there and just make sure that as they put these, you watch them make a scarf, they count with the axe. They'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and they've got to make sure that it holds their body weight. They'll take a board with them, throw the axe above their head. You can keep your eye up on number 2 if you have a look with Mitchell Hewitt there, just taking the boards away. He's up into the top of that tree. Have a look at that on number 5, ladies and gentlemen. Number 5 will say Lindsay Hewitt worked very quickly, very hard. Not down to him on number 6. Have a look at that with Campbell Newman. See how we go with the young gentleman that was up on 103, the handicap from Tasmania, Daniel Gurr. Let's not forget about the gentleman down there on Adam Lithgow from America, USA. One up from him, his colleague Nate Hodges from California. We'll bring home number 4 for you, which is going to be Josh Adamson. How do we go with number 3, Brian Wagner? And as we go up into the top of the tree there with number 1, ladies and gentlemen, he's out of Tasmania, Daniel Gurr. He started with a handicap of 103. Those little metal tabs and their experience are what make all the difference. Just keep your eye on what's going on up here on number 3 and on number 1. Also finished as number 7, Mark Hodges. This one more time, give it a cheer. 1, 2, 3. They really deserve it. They love to hear from you. That was good, hard, fast competition.
Well done, mate. The Aussie way. All right, well, this is time as you give them another round of applause. Firstly, can you, and we do all of them at once, firstly, congratulate and put your hands together for Lindsay Hewitt. Secondly, Campbell Newman. Thirdly, Mitchell Hewitt. And fourthly, Adam Lithgow. And make welcome to our Professor, Mr. Ross Wilson. A delight to have Ross Wilson with us from the Seep section and a rural generalist from the Central West. Also in the family, we've had his son Angus Wilson being here as well. We'll get a photo opportunity. They all come and give a hand from time to time.